Hey, this is Dave again from housebarons.com. Today we're going to show you how to cut marble countertop. To do it, we've got a circular saw here, and the blade that we're using is one that will cut stone. It's diamond tipped, and the blades are a little bit more expensive, but they're worth the price because they do a good job. We got this piece from, used to be a double counter that broke. And so we salvaged this piece. The other half obviously was no good, but now we're just trying to get it down to the right size that we need. And so what I've done is measured and drew a line on the marble. Then I put a piece of tape to outline where I'm going to cut. I put arrows on the tape to show this is the side I want to cut. And then I measured over. I put this board on here and measured over 1.5 inches because I have 1.5 inches distance from the side where it's going to rest against the side of this board to the blade. And once you get all those things done, you're good to cut. Before I cut, I'm going to go ahead and make a test cut on this just to make sure the blade's on good, and then I'll go ahead and actually put this against the board and do the actual cut. So I'm putting this board on here to cut the second piece, and it is, when I put it on the edge of the tape here, it's 1.5 inches from the line I'm going to cut. And there you go. It makes a nice smooth cut, and this one actually has a little bit of a chip on it, which isn't ideal. But the stone is pretty smooth, and we're going to polish this edge and try to get it as smooth as we can. But this takes a piece of scrap marble that's really not going to be worth anything. It turns it into a usable countertop. It all takes is a circular saw and the right blade. Please leave a comment or give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more videos coming. Thanks for viewing.